Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my new home office. As you can see behind me, it's already said and done, but before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's go ahead and just take it a month back and see what it looked like before. Here are some clips now. It was very dungeony, very dark, very dusty. There was paneling on two sides of the wall. Thankfully only two, because it took forever to get it all removed. I was naive enough to think that it was going to be a one and done day process, maybe 2 days tops, and I'm good to go. This office will be done in no time. No, definitely not the case. So with the paneling, what I did, I ended up starting with the corner edges just to make sure I took off all of the corner lines and I could just bring down the whole paneling. And it was just one. I thought it was going to be slices at first, but it ended up just being big sheets of paneling. And under is when I realized that there was just a whole bunch of adhesive. On one wall, there wasn't as much, but the first bigger wall, which sucked because it's the bigger wall, definitely had a lot of adhesive to go. So we went ahead and chipped that adhesive. It took 10 hours, and I had to thank my dad, one, for helping me out and teaching me how this process works, what to do next, what to do first, but also he helped me chip away at that adhesive. It was like 11:30 at night and we were just still chipping away. So once all that adhesive was done, we went ahead and plastered the wall, sanded it, and then it was prepped for the next day. Then came the painting, and the painting was a whole nother process in itself. I definitely have to thank my mom and my boyfriend for helping me. We painted all four walls, all four walls, just a bright white color. I'm not sure at the top of my head which one it is, but I will go ahead and link it down below. Let's start off with the corner. I wanted a place where I can relax, get cozy, read a book, just lounge around in instead of just work. Or if my cat wants to hang out with me, he totally can. But I have this boucle chair that I started off with. I wanted a cozy vibe, so I did add this checkered blanket, which also adds a little bit of depth and texture with the pillow accent as well. To complement the whole corner cozy lounge vibe, I went ahead and added a poof from CB2. It was on sale. All right, so it's the next day and I just realized that I completely forgot to talk about my desk. We'll edit that portion of it yesterday. So here we are, and it's kind of the main thing of an office, so I think it's pretty important. When designing my office space area, I really wanted a desk that would sit in the middle, and for the main reason, I feel like when you put a desk up against a wall, you're kind of just staring at a wall all day, and that doesn't really spark creativity in my eyes. So I really wanted it the focal point, middle of the room, really standing its ground. And I actually found this desk at Target. It didn't take too long to build. It actually took us longer to read the instructions and like 20 minutes to put it together. But it's a pretty good find and I'm really happy with it. Alright, so when it came to styling this back area, I wanted a shelf that was functional but also looked nice, so I went ahead and styled it with this lamp for just a different type of ambient lighting, a pedestal, and my family did just go on vacation. They brought us back these cute keychains. The second shelf has my journal, the current book I'm reading, and then a planner, and I just used a big crystal, I'm not sure what kind of crystal it is, and just a little vase on the sides to put it together like bookends. The checkered box next to it actually has all of my camera equipment, so whether it's my hand tripod, some extra memory cards or batteries or anything like that. And then the bottom shelf I kind of just use as a charging station, so anytime I need to charge my laptop, my iPad, or my extra batteries for my camera, I go ahead and just set down there.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna
right, so that is the end of my office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I will be linking everything down below. If you guys are back for my travel video, I know I was gonna post a New York vlog, but I'm still new to content creation and I filmed so much, it was kind of overwhelming. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the New York vlog on the back burner, but if you guys are traveling soon, I do have my travel essentials up, and if you wanna go ahead and watch that, you can go ahead and click somewhere here, or I'll just link it down below. I'm still learning how to do that. Thank you again for stopping by, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.